Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix your payment method decline on Roblox. If you are purchasing some product seems to be having a problem or an issue with the payment method, so there might be several different reasons why this kind of issue occurs. Now to fix it, one of the major issue might be the registration. You'll have to register the correct billing information with the card provider. So you can do this by visiting the card company website or calling the customer care service number on the card. And when you make a payment, make sure the billing information you enter on the Roblox matches the registration information exactly. After you've done that, you're still unable to fix it, then you can try updating your payment method. That is, you can change the payment method and switch over to other payment method, and that's basically how you can fix your payment method on Roblox. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.